everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. I normally do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. I don't know how well that's going to work in the middle of the pandemic, but we are super close to 400 subscribers, so feel free, do you boo-boo. So today I sat down, I was like, you know what, red bandana, I want to do like a simple, smoky, pit-uppy kind of eye, and then it turned into this. I don't know what happened, but it's there. It's done. No take back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my channel. It actually helps me out. I'm just saying. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down below in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Happy quarantining. I hope everyone's staying safe. Without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. All right. What the fuck is my hair doing today? Anywho, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop California Love palette. I'm all about it right now because I just kind of do like a classic, simple, neutral, smoky eye. My mirror is screaming like the wildest. That's still my mirror doing that. Whatever, y'all just gonna have to deal with a little glow down here. Anywho, I'm gonna start out with Laguna on a fluffy little that is way more orange than it appears. Just letting you guys know. And I'm gonna keep going with it, and it is super pigmented, and it is blending out way further than I anticipated it. It's fine. I'm gonna go in with the Bay. Kind of terrified of it. I'm just kind of using that to darken it a little bit. Okay, so I also set out my Conspiracy palette, and I'm gonna take Diet Root Beer, which is just a matte mid-tone brown. Okay, well, this is gonna be not what I anticipated, but it's alright. We're gonna roll with it. I don't have a matte chocolatey brown shade, so I'm just gonna pull out my Alyssa Edwards palette. This has an excellent chocolatey matte brown and a matte black in it. Really probably should have just used this for the whole thing, but it's alright. I'm gonna take Back Rolls, which is the chocolate brown. Today is apparently just the day to go in heavy-handed. And I'm focusing this on the outer corner of my eye. And then with what's left on the brush, I'm running it through the whole crease. Yeah. I'm gonna take a little bit more just to deepen it. And I'm feeling adventurous today, so let's add Back Rolls into the inner corner. Pretty much just deepening my entire eye because I have no control, and it's definitely getting in the center, but apparently we're shifting into doing a halo eye. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of Beast, which is the black. This looks wild. But it's okay. So I think I'm gonna go in with Diego. It's very fallouty, but it's okay. Like, it's just crazy. And I'm only gonna put this in this little center portion. Probably gonna wet my brush because this is so powdery. I want that to be a little lighter and brighter, so I'm gonna just grab Inspire out of Alyssa Edwards, which is just a light champagne-y color. And I'm just kind of packing it on with my finger. So now I'm gonna take a super small brush whenever I find it. Like literally the smaller the better, because I have literally no impulse control and I'll cover my entire eye in brown again. But I'm gonna take Back Rolls, which is that chocolate brown. And like I said, the smaller the brush, the easier this is gonna be, because you're just gonna take the edge of it and just fan out. And it's just gonna kind of blend it a little bit easier. Yes, this was dark as fuck. Not what I was wanting. Okay, so really quickly, I'm just gonna take my ready ass towel and I'm gonna wipe off all of this center portion here, where it's like literally going up the side of my nose. And I'm gonna kinda calm down this crease right here. And I'm also gonna, you don't have to worry about getting it all, as long as you get most of the pigment off. When you go through with your concealer and like face makeup, it'll clean it up. But if you look right here, I kind of took a little too much, and that's just like a little straight line. So with that small detail brush, I'm just kind of curving it back out, but not going up the side of my nose. That's not how we contour here, ladies. Okay, let me do my other eye, throw on my face and my eyebrows, and we'll be back to see if I can save this shit show of a look. So, un momento. Okay, I have to say that normally when I hop off the camera and do my face makeup and my eyebrows, mainly my eyebrows, I start to like the look a little bit more, and I don't right now. So here's the hoping I don't hate this entire look. So for my lash line on the bottom, I'm not really gonna do anything super crazy. I'm gonna go in with Back Rolls on a flat little shader brush like this, and I'm not gonna do anything like overly crazy, but I am gonna smoke that down a little low just to match the chaos that's on the top. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a smaller pointed brush and Beast, which was that black, and I'm gonna follow really close to my lash line and almost hit my waterline with it and smudge out some of that liner. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I'm doing on the smoky front, because this look is not what I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna go in with Ranch from the Conspiracy palette. That's the highlight that's on my face. I mean, it's an eyeshadow. You can use it literally anywhere you want, but I'm gonna throw that in my inner corner and under my brow bone quickly. Might have went a little crazy over there. I forgot to mention while I was off the camera that I just quickly tightlined my eyes with the NYX retractable eyeliner in black. Nothing fancy. But now, because my shit is pretty crazy as it is, I'm gonna do a quick winged liner, and I'm gonna be using the Ciate Fierce Flicks liner. We're gonna add a little mascara. This is Urban Decay's Perversion, and then we're gonna go with some falsies. I've not used these before. These are the Kiss Sultries, but they look pretty close to Ritzy, which is my favorite. So let me go do all this and I'll be right back to do a lip. Alright, so we're back. I'm still not feeling 100% on this look, but I am feeling a little bit better now that I've put on wings so fucking thick I could fly to the sun. And no, they're not even, and yes, we're gonna ignore it. Okay, moving on. Last step is a lip. If you didn't catch my video from last week where I decluttered my lip collection, you definitely should. I'm just saying, but because I went through and decluttered it all, I found shit that I completely forgot I had in there, and this is one of those things. This is by Rimmel. It's a Stay Satin lip color, and this is in Have a Cow, and it's just a really pretty purpley maroony situation. So I'm gonna throw that on really fast, and then we'll have the completed look. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I'm leaving my bandana headband thing in because we had some problems teasing my hair today. I don't do it every day, but when I do, my hair turns huge. Alright, so this is the completed look. It's very weird, it's very dark, it's very not what I was it's very not what I anticipating today, but it is totally fine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had fun. Happy quarantining. If you did like it while you were watching, please give it a thumbs up down below because it actually helps me out, even though you don't think it does. It really does. Or if you wanted to, you could give it a thumbs down. I mean, it's really whatever you want to do. Also, you can subscribe to my channel down below. I upload mostly I upload mostly every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, sometimes more, sometimes a little less, but those are the days I target toward. But if you subscribe, you're entered into winning a giveaway when I hit 400 subscribers, which we're really close to. I don't know how the giveaway is gonna go in the middle of a pandemic and a quarantine and everything, but we're gonna try to do it at 400 subscribers. So I'm gonna get off of here and stop rambling. If you know, you want to see other videos, subscribe to me. You can ring the little bell and be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I'm talking really fast. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.